Real estate is all about speed and data. More data equals to more leads, and more speed equals to more money. But to accelerate your growth, you will be needing a few tools that will help you in your journey. And to do that, we have combined a list of 5 essential tools every real estate agent should use. So let's dive straight into the tools. First up, we have Lead Flow. The innovative platform leverages artificial intelligence to provide nearly every property with a sellability score. The score helps agents identify the best seller prospects, saving both time and money. By pinpointing high quality leads, agents can focus their marketing efforts more effectively, leading to increased sales and more closed deals. With Lead Flow, agents can embrace the power of AI and transform their real estate business into a more efficient, profitable, and data driven operation. Next on our list is Virtual Staging AI. This cutting edge tool offers a cost effective solution for making properties more appealing to potential buyers. By digitally adding furniture, decor, and other design elements to a space, virtual staging helps agents showcase the full potential of a property. With visually appealing images, agents can capture the attention of buyers and help them envision themselves living in the space. Virtual staging AI empowers agents to stand out in a competitive market and attract more qualified buyers. Before we dive into the next tool, I wanted to tell you about Visit Views, where we take leverage of these tools and help you grow your real estate business. We offer services like content creation, social media ads, property video tools, and a lot more. Make sure to click the link below and schedule a consultation call with us at visitviews.com. Moving on, we have ClickFunnels. Agents can create customized funnels tailored to their target audience, increasing the likelihood of converting leads into sales. With features like email marketing and automation, agents can streamline their marketing efforts and reach more potential buyers. ClickFunnels is the secret weapon that agents need to take their online presence to the next level. Now, let's talk about Builderall. This comprehensive marketing system provides agents with everything they need to build and optimize their online presence. From creating stunning websites and landing pages to managing email marketing campaigns, Builderall offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help agents grow their business. With features like Magic Text AI and powerful email marketing capabilities, agents can create engaging content and connect with their audience more effectively. Last but not the least, we have Just Call. This AI-powered communication platform helps agents connect with customers across various channels, including SMS, MMS, and WhatsApp. With features like call scoring, coaching, and live assistance, agents can deliver exceptional customer service and streamline their communication efforts. Plus, with predictive and power dialer modes, agents can connect with more leads in less time, maximizing their efficiency and productivity. Just Call is all-in-one solution that agents need to take their customer communication to the next level. So there you have it, 5 essential tools that every real estate agent should consider using to enhance their business. Whether you are looking to streamline your marketing efforts, showcase properties more effectively, or improve customer communication, these tools have you covered. Ready to take your real estate business to the next level? Give these tools a try and see the difference they can make. If this information helped you in any way, share it with your fellow agents. We'll see you next time.